Assalamu alaikum students of grade 1. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing good. I am your science teacher and today we are going to start the reading of our new unit number 8, and its name is Floating and Sinking. So first of all, we will learn about the terms floating and sinking, right? So here is a definition of floating and sinking. That what is floating? Floating is when an object is on the water. जो ऑब्जेक्ट वाटर के ऊपर रहती है उसे वो फ्लोट करती है. एंड सिंकिंग इज व्हेन द होल ऑब्जेक्ट इज बिलो द सरफेस ऑफ द वाटर. और जो ऑब्जेक्ट पूरी की पूरी पानी के नीचे बिलो द सरफेस ऑफ द वाटर चली जाती है, डूब जाती है, वो सिंक करती है. ठीक है. सो फ्लोटिंग इज व्हेन एन ऑब्जेक्ट इज ऑन द वाटर, ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ द वाटर. एंड सिंकिंग इज व्हेन द होल ऑब्जेक्ट इज बिलो द सरफेस ऑफ द वाटर. सो हियर इज़ अ पिक्चर और यहाँ पे कुछ ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं एंड यू कैन सी दैट सम थिंग्स फ्लोट एंड सम थिंग्स सिंक. लाइक दिस इज़ अ टॉय डक, दिस इज़ अ टॉय बोट and ball. These things are on the surface of the water, so they float. And keys, nut, brick, rock, these things are below the surface of the water, so they sink. तो जो चीज़ें पानी के सरफेस के ऊपर रहती हैं वो फ्लोट करती हैं, और जो चीज़ें पानी के नीचे चली जाती हैं वो सिंक, पानी की सरफेस के नीचे चली जाती हैं वो सिंक करती हैं. राइट. So, what is floating? Floating is when an object is on the surface of the water, and sinking is when the whole object is below the surface of the water, right? So the most important topics in this chapter are why some things sink, why some things float, and we will also discuss about molecules and density. So some things sink, like as you can see here, these things are below the surface of the water, right? Rock, coin, nut, key, right? And some things float, and you can see here that this is there is a toy duck, plastic bottle, ball. These things are on the surface of the water and they float. So some things sink and some things float. A great big log floats in the river, but a tiny nail sinks. Every material is made up of tiny particles called molecules, right? They are so tiny we can only see them with a special microscope. And here is a picture of the microscope. So these molecules are so small that we can only see them with the help of a special microscope. And in some things molecules are squished tightly together. In other things they are loosed, or they are spread out. So when they're squished tightly together, we say they are dense, right? Some things like rocks, nails, and marbles are more dense than water, so they sink. And leaves, balls, and wood are less dense than water, so they float. Like this is less dense than water, that's why it floats. So in some things molecules are squished tightly together, and these are called dense things. And in some things molecules are spread out, so they are less dense, right? So the dense things like rocks, nails, and marbles that are more dense than water, they sink. And the things which are less dense than water, like leaves, balls, and wood, that are less dense than water, they float. So this is your today's work. You have to learn it, you have to read this chapter and understand it, and you also have to do the mentioned pages of book in your homework. That's it. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.